Okay, Totes, let's get you trained. Command, click, reward. Ha! Okay, heal. Okay, that's the command, Totes. It's human speak for walk by my side. Heal. What? Come on, Totes, heal. Do this and you get a treat. You like treats, don't you? Heal. Okay, how about we switch it up? What if we started with the treat? Huh? Command, reward, click! I've trained him! Woohoo!
Yes, you've trained him. To be bribed.
What? Excuse me, that's a very cynical spin.
But shockingly accurate.
Well, Scratch, it's hard to be firm with someone so cute.
Tell me about it. You were the most adorable baby we'd ever seen. Imagine saying no to that face. We did, and we've got the battle scars to prove it. Being firm is hard, Molly, but it leads to healthier, happier kids. Whether they're people or goats.
Well, sure, okay, but maybe nobody is considering the possibility that I've created a paradigm shift in how one trains. And I shall call it the Molly method. Huh? Well, another treat, but you haven't done anything. And according to the Molly method, you created a paradigm shift in how one trains. Treats don't... What? Come on, Totes, heal! Do this and you get a treat. You like treats, don't you? Heal. Okay, how about we switch it up? What if we started with the treat? Huh?